Welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss the next 50 questions of WB set. Previously I have uploaded the first 50 questions of WB set question paper. You can get the link of the previous video from the description box, or you can also click on the I button to get the access of the previous link. Now coming to the question number 51, please watch till end, and if you have any query or any problem regarding this, you can comment in the comment box and share with your friends so that everyone can get the access or link of this kind of video. Now coming to the question number 51, here is a statement followed by two assumptions. With respect to the assumption, choose the correct option below. You can see the question on the screen. If you want, you can take screenshot for future reference. Now the statement asserts that an autobiography focuses on the sequence of events of the writer's life to the point of writing, while a memoir covers certain aspects of a writer's life. And there are two assumptions. One is the above statement suggests that an autobiography is chronologically ordered, while a memoir is not necessarily so. And the second assumption is the above statement suggests that an autobiography is written in the first person, while a memoir is written in the third person. And the answer will be option A, that is assumption 1 is correct, but the 2 is incorrect. Next question number 52. There is a matching list of list 1 with list 2, and in list 1 there are some poems. These are almost some metaphysical poems, and in the list 2 there are few lines from the text of these poems, and the right answer will be option B, that is with the poem A, the ecstasy, the line will be from option 2 of list 2. When love with one another so inanimates two souls, the abler soul which thence doth flow, defects of loneliness control. And from the sun rising, the line will be, for God's sake hold your tongue and let me love. And from to his coy mistress, the matching line will be my vegetable love should grow vaster than empires and more slow, and 100 years should go to praise thine eyes and on thy forehead gaze. And from the fourth poem, the good morrow, the matching line will be option 3, my face in thine eyes, thine in mine appears, and true plain hearts do in the faces rest. So the right answer will be option B. Next question number 53. Which of the following American novels was used by Edward Said to illustrate American imperialism? The right answer will be Moby Dick, option D. Next question, ProQuest is the right answer is text database. Next question 55. A bright reply to wisdom's occult plane, a calm illuminator and flame. The lines are from option C, Sir Aurobindo's The Golden Light. Next question number 56. Here are 4 aspects of the Indian psyche that do not translate very easily into English, and there are 4 options, and the right answer, the question is, Rajarao mentions 3 of these qualities in the preface to Kanthapura as being difficult to render into English. Pick the correct combination from the option given below, and the right answer is option C. 1, 2 and 3 are correct, that is 4, humor is incorrect. Next question number 57. Which of the following best describes the phrase data abuse protocols in literary research? There are 4 options, and the right answer will be option B. 1, 2 and 3 are correct, that is 4, quoting without acknowledgement is incorrect. Question number 58. A work can become modern only if it is first postmodern. This line is from, the right answer will be Jean-Francois Lyotard, answering the question, what is the postmodern? Next question number 59. Aristotle in his Poetics mentions three painters, one of whom represents characters above the average. Identify the painter. The painter is option B, Polygnotus. Question number 60. The Africans in Heart of Darkness are viewed as. The right answer will be option C, A, B, D, C. They are seen as servile black men. Next, they are viewed as enemies. Next, soon the enemies become criminals in the eyes of the whites, and at last, they are presented as rebels by Kurch. Question number 61. I saw the best minds of my generation destroyed by madness, starving, hysterical, naked. Choose the correct option from the ones given below to explain the phrase starving, hysterical, naked. The right answer will be option B. The best minds were lacking in proper ideology and conviction. Next, question number 62. Which major English novelist was not included by F.R. Lewis in his The Great Tradition? The right answer will be option D, Charles Dickens. Next, question number 63. There is a matching of list 1 with list 2, and the right answer will be option B. So, Going Home is related to Doris Lessing. Joseph Anton is related to Salman Rushdie. Up from Slavery is related to Booker T. Washington, and Chronicles is related to Bob Dylan. Next, question number 64. The following quotation is from the prologue of a play, and the play is option B, Goldsmith, She Stoops to Conquer. You can see the question on your screen, and you can take screenshot of each of the questions. Next, question number 65. In T.S. Eliot's The Waste Land, the line that Shakespearean rag is taken from a, right answer will be option A, taken from a popular song by Jean Bach and Herman Ruhi, 1912. Next, question number 66. Which of the following is originally composed as a graphic novel? The right answer will be Marjane Satrapi's Persepolis. Next, question number 67. There is a quotation from a text, and these lines from Chaucer's Non-Priest Tale bears the influence of the poem was influenced by, or these particular lines were influenced by option C, Boethius de Consolatione Philosophei. Next, question number 68. Under which of the following disciplines would a study of styles of dressing be placed? The right answer will be option A, semiology. Question number 69. The first national policy on education was adopted in the Indian Parliament in 1968. Option D. Question number 70. How did R.K. Narayan describes the kind of Indian English he wrote? The right answer is B, as toasted English. Question number 71. It was said that Uncle Tom's Cabin was the book which started the Great War, and the right answer will be the Great War is the American Civil War. Option C. Question number 72. Peter Carey's Jack Maggs is a reworking of Dickens' Great Expectation, but Carey also reinvents Dickens as a young writer called Tobias Oates. Option B. Next, question number 73. When the great vowel shift took place in the English language, the vowels I and U changed to option C, EI and EU. Next, question number 74. The works of Franz Kafka were originally written. The right answer is in German. Option B. Which of the following books offers an argument diametrically opposed to T.S. Eliot's tradition and individual talent? The right answer will be option B, Harold Bloom, The Anxiety of Influence. Question number 76. Which of the following belongs to the category of a good research ethics? You can see the four options, and the right answer is option B, conducting a review of the literature that acknowledges the contributions of other people in the relevant field. Question number 77. It is about time that criticism and philosophy acknowledged the disappearance or the death of the author. Which critic is credited with this statement? The right answer is option B, Michel Foucault. Option B, Michel Foucault. Question number 78. There are assertion and reason, and the assertion is the essay is a literary form that is always subjective or personal, and the reason is this is because it is not possible to develop an argument within such a brief space. The right answer is both assertion and reason are incorrect. Question number 79. Who said good prose is like a window pane? The right answer is option B, George Orwell. George Orwell said this above statement. Question number 80. Who links literary genres to seasons? The right answer is Northrop Frye, option A. Next, question number 81. Which of these is not a contemporary theory of popular culture? And the right answer is option B, string theory. Question number 82. With which theoretical movement can one associate the idea that a work of art should ideally be marked by distancing and estrangement rather than by cohesion and progression? The right answer is the Frankfurt School. This is a theoretical movement. Next, question number 83. The film Apocalypse Now is an adaptation of. The right answer is Joseph Conrad's Heart of Darkness. Question number 84. Horace in Ars Poetica states poets have ever had equal authority for attempting anything, but not to such a degree. Choose the correct explanation of Horace's statement. The right answer will be option D. Horace initiates a debate on decorum and poetic license. Question number 85. Which of the following 19th century literators was the strongest proponent of the high culture mass culture dichotomy that was finally erased by postmodernism? The right answer is option B, John Ruskin. Next, question number 86. According to which linguistic process did Latin pedem become English foot and Latin centum change to English hundred? The right answer is Grimm's law, option A. Next question. The first canto of Virgil's Aeneid begins with a great storm that destroys the fleet of Aeneas, but later the storm calms down. This natural event has been presented in terms of the battle of gods. Who are the gods involved? Those are option C, Juno, Aeolus and Neptune. Question number 88. The first poet to have evolved the sonnet form is option A, Giacomo da Lentini. Question number 89. Which of the following is not correct? The right answer is option B, syllable is a part of a word which can never have one silent vowel letter. This is incorrect among the four. Question number 90. In his Poetics, Aristotle says the tragedies of most of the moderns are characterless. What does Aristotle mean by character? Here, character with a moral purpose. Option B is the right answer. Question number 91. Then I noticed a small sketch in oils on a panel representing a woman draped and blindfolded carrying a lighted torch. The passage occurs in question C. Option C, Heart of Darkness. Next, question number 92. There is a matching of list A with list B and the right answer is option A. That is, BGD Amboise is related to George Chapman. Antonio and Melida is related to Cyril Turner. Women Beware Women is related to Thomas Middleton. And the Revenger's Tragedy is related to John Marston. Again, there is a matching in question number 93. There is list 1 and list 2 and the right answer is option B, that is Margaret Lawrence is related to the Diviners. Rohinton Mishra is related to Such a Long Journey. Margaret Atwood is related to Cat's Eye and Michael Ondaatje is related to Warlight. Question number 94. Which of the following are characteristics of Butler English? And the right answer is option B, that is B and C, deletion of verb inflections and deletion of prepositions. Question number 95. The 1979 film Junoon is based on which of the following work? The right answer is option A, Ruskin Bonds, A Flight of Pigeons. Question number 96. Which of these novelists was acknowledged by Salman Rushdie as his precursor in the use of chartnification of Indian English? And the right answer is option C, G.V. Desani. Next, question number 97. In the first canto of Homer's Iliad, Agamemnon declined to free the daughter of Chryses, who afterwards invoked the god for revenge. Who is the god and does he fulfill Chryses' prayer? The right answer is Apollo shot his arrow. Option C. Question number 98. Which are the only two states in India that still use English as their only official language? And the right answer is option D, Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland. Next, question number 99. Which of the following characters has no mention in Milton's Paradise Lost Book 1? The right answer is option B, Gabriel. And the last question, question number 100. Who wrote a seminal treatise on Dalit aesthetics covering also the imagery and idioms appropriate for conveying the Dalit experience? And the right answer is option B, Saran Kumar Limbale. So thank you for watching, and if you want to watch the previous video of the first 50 questions, please go to the description box. The link is given there. Thank you for watching, and if you have any problem or queries, please comment in the comment box and share among your friends. Thank you.